Hi guys, Precious here for AskIfa.ng and welcome to another episode of How To. Today I'll be taking you through the process of making your own face masks because it is now imperative for you to wear face masks if you're going out. So this process is quite simple and short, so let's get into it. So I got a new vest. We'll just cut this up real quick and we'll get into it. So the first step is you fold the edges to meet at the middle. Then you fold another layer. And after this, use rubber or whatever elastic thing you have. Now once you've secured the rubbers, you can just put it on your face. Ta-da! Now once you've done that, your face mask is ready to be worn, but please note that this is just for you to do a quick run around, get back into your house, throw it into bleach and disinfectant, get it dried, washed properly, and it is ready to be reused. And that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching my how-to, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!